Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Apple have dramatically improved multitasking in iPadOS 15. Now, whereas previously you needed to remember a whole series of gestures, there are now a number of on-screen cues in addition to some extra features which significantly enhance multitasking on the iPad. So let's take a look. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is the inclusion of the 3 dots above any apps that support multitasking. So here in Safari, if I tap the 3 dots, you'll see 3 icons: full screen, split screen, and slide over. If I tap the split screen icon, the Safari screen moves out of the way and gives me access to any of the apps on my home screen or dock. If the app you want isn't shown, you can just swipe across to your other home screens or swipe further across to your app library to select the app. If you can't immediately identify the app, you can just use the search feature. So let's search for craft and then just select it by tapping. So as you can see, we now have a split screen view with Safari on the left and craft on the right. Now I can adjust the position of the split just by dragging the center bar, but you can also swap the windows by tapping on the split screen icon again and selecting which side of the screen you want the app to be on. Most applications these days support drag and drop, so I can drag information across from Safari across into the craft window. Previous gestures are still available, so I can drag down and then across to change from split view to a slide over view. Just put that back as it was, or I can also drag down to close one of the split view windows. But let's go back into split screen, and I can come right out of split screen either by tapping on the full screen icon or just by dragging across to remove the second window. As Safari is an application that supports multiple windows, I can go back into Safari split screen and then this time select Safari again to open 2 side-by-side Safari windows. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.